You don't need to put your fingers in that. Come here. Let's see those fingers. See those fingers. Yeah. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. Boy, he really likes this. Yes, I really like this. This is some good yogurt. Here. There we go. The sneezies. Ready? Here's some more. There we go. Ready? There we go. There we go. Well, you know, we shouldn't go too fast. If we go too fast, you'll get choked. Okay. What was that? What was that? Little cleanup. Are we ready? Yes, he's a little bird. He's just a little bird. Here we go. Here we go. Where's that dog? Is that dog trying to get your yogurt? The dog is trying to get your yogurt. Oh, here we go. No. Here. Come on, pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Ready? Boy, he's going to finish this thing up. Okay, ready?
I mean, it just says to add it.
No. He wants to feed himself. Okay, Henry, here we go. Henry. Oh, he's too busy having his picture made.
He's a star.
He's a star. He's a star in his own life. Ready? Why does he want to take the bib off?
He hates the bib.
Now let's leave the bib off. Let's leave the bib off. You want some more yogurt?
Alright, so we're going to do the fight.
Here we go. Here. You want to try some? You want to do some here? No, you have to hold that.
You want some of these tomatoes?
You're getting hurt too.